So today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 and also make a comparison with the iPhone SE. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unboxing reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. And also don't forget to smash the like button. And let's jump into this unbox and comparison. We get a big box for a smaller box. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out from this big box. And this is the iPhone 12. So you don't get a charger with it. That's why the box is so small. And let's open it. Easy, like we know Apple does it, and even easier, like you just, that's it. And I have here the green model. Okay, so you have, let's put the phone on the side, and you just have this, the key, one sticker, and some guide, and that's everything. Let's put this on the side, and the cable for charging. So you get a USB-C cable for the phone and nothing else. That's all. So let's see. Let's take the foil out. It does look nice. Okay, let's compare this design with the old design. I mean, it's probably about the same. Sorry about this. This SE has been through some storms, as you can see in the corners here. And yeah, but design wise it looks quite similar, except for this curve, it's actually curved, and this one is like sliced. I don't know how to say it. It's a bit different on the corners, if you see here. Yeah, and it obviously is way bigger. Let's power this up. So button wise, yeah, hello. On SE you have the volume buttons. They're rounded and smaller, and here they're bigger and the same like the power button. Also you have the power button on the side, while on SE you had the power button on top. And it also, the power button is like bigger here and smaller here. And these two buttons, the silent button, they look about the same. The edge on this phone compared to iPhone X or XS or even 11, because they all have the same design, so it's rounded on the other phones, and on this one it's just a bit rounded here on the corner, but it's not like going around like the other ones. But for me, I much more like this design, because I really like the design on the SE. Yeah, so I just tried to connect with this phone that I'm making the video with, but no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so on 12 you get 2 cameras, the flash and the microphone, and you don't get 3 cameras for some reason, because it's cheaper. But it would have been nice, 3 cameras, because you have this 3 camera square. Other than that, it's basically everything the same. Okay, so that's about everything you get with the new iPhone 12. Just the phone and the cable. You don't get a charger because you don't need a charger. You bought a phone before, you should have a charger. And the box is slimmer now because you don't need a charger. Everything because you don't need a charger. You should save the planet. Use the charger you had before. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to buy the iPhone 12. And see you on the next one.